So hello guys, welcome to H-QTV. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your YouTube AdSense account if you are already monetized your YouTube channel, YouTube page. So let's go. First one, log into Chrome. You can do this from your phone or your laptop. So once you log into Chrome, type AdSense. So type it here. You are going to click the first one that open up, that is Google AdSense. Click on that. Then you are going to say sign up. You are not signing up, you are going to sign in once you have the account. If you don't have access account, that is when you are going to sign up. Click the menu icon, the three menu icon by the left side, and click on sign. So click on the menu icon, three menu icon by the left side, and click on payments. So you are going to click on payment info. So payment info is going to bring you to this page. So this is what I get paid last month or this month. So you are going to see this is my account that I have added for my AdSense. And if you want to add yours, just click on manage payment methods. Click on that. Then you are going to see add payment method. You are going to see that one down below, add payment method. Then you are going to click on add new wire transfer details. So continue the process, add new wire transfer details. So this is it, your name on bank, that is Awoyemi Samuel Yomide, bank name Guarantee Trust Bank. That is how you are going to add yours, Guarantee Trust Bank. Swift code, how do you get your Swift code? So how do you get yours? Just click on this icon and go to, just type Swift code for Guarantee Trust Bank, Swift code. So click the first one. So you are going to see that. Select your country. So you are going to select Nigerian here, and you are going to select bank, the bank, that Guarantee Trust Bank. That is what I'm going to use. And you are going to click on find Swift code. You are going to copy this code for example and go to your, once you copy that, so you are going to go to your this place. So come here and can see, so your account number, your domiciliary account number in dollar, and you are going to retype the account by account. You are going to retype the account number again under that, and you are going to click on set as primary payment method. So you are going to click on save, and that is how you are going to add payment method to your AdSense account. So if you have any question, you can put it under the comment section, and if this video helps, make sure that you subscribe, like, and turn on your bell notification for the next update. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video.